One of the interesting features of API Expert is the ability to see how any endpoint functions from any data center anywhere in the world. I'm going to pick Docusign as an example. Once you're signed in, you can go and look at any particular project and see the endpoints in it. And if you click on the reports option, you'll be able to load up a report, pick a time period. I'm going to go for this month. Pick a time slice, whether it's networking portions or total call time. I'll stick with total call time. And see what the median latency was, not just overall for that API endpoint, but from every single data center we called it from in the world. And you'll be able to then sort to see which are the fastest and slowest locations and how that might impact your architecture. So for example, Google East 4, Virginia, is the fastest data center according to the Docusign API at 300 milliseconds, through to the slowest at nearly 2.6 seconds of Google Asia South, Mumbai. That gives you a simple indication of where the fastest performance is for your architectures. Once if you're interested in automating that information, you can just click on the CSV by location option and it will download the CSV that you can then use. We are looking at adding the ability to have a JSON API to access this data slightly later in the year. The second option is if you click on the stats button, you'll be able to go and look at this in a graphical format. So if I expand the latency map using the expand icon, you'll now see the performance of this particular endpoint from every data center around the world. The larger the circle, the slower the API call, the smaller the faster. And you'll be able to zoom in and see how things are working from geographies you're interested in or data centers that you're concerned about. Again, you can break this down by percentile or by the total time or networking time of the call. And that's two ways in which API Expert for a simple fixed monthly fee can make your DevOps life much easier.